So, like, and then I check it. So, here you go. You can see my face. First off, start off at the top. We got some hardcore. Demolition bar ends. Got some blue ODIs. Next, we're coming in with the black Odyssey cable, the $28 version. Next, we got these Rant sway bars coming in at, I believe, 8.25 high. Then the Tree Bicycle Co. stem, the only one and the greatest out there besides Profile. Then we have, I think it's a 53 or 50 millimeter rise. Top load, obviously, as you can tell. Haro lineage fork, just because Haro is, I guess, UK sponsor, but not because I get cheaper parts. Grease. Speaking of grease, I got my FSA headset. My fork is a little weird, and it didn't come with a built-in crown race. It needs a different bearing than a normal fork has. And my frame's non-integrated, so that's why I needed this headset. Speaking of frame, we got a Miraco Ensign frame, 2013. You can look up the bike on like Google or something. Just a Cinema front wheel, a Vice grip tire, 20 by 2.3. Coming down to the back, we got Tree bicycle pedals, plastic. I'll flip her around. See some more details. Blue sprocket. It's just a Vice sprocket. I've never heard of Vice. It's a company that worked with Miraco. Tree bicycle pivotal seat with a random seat post that I don't even know. Random stickers, United, S&M, Dance Comp. By my bars, if you guys can't really see my bars anymore. My bars have a FSA sticker for my headset, Rant, Dance Comp, and GoPro. I did get a GoPro. Come to the back wheel. It's just a stock. That's just pretty much a stock back wheel. Brakes work nice. Might be getting cranks, and you can tell. Oh God. You can tell. Where is it? Right here, Spike. Just because I put money into my what's it called? Thing, and money into my Dance Comp thing, and then pretty much it. My hub is just, it's just a basic hub. That's pretty much it. Just the bike. I just run a Bell helmet. You guys can see that. Yeah, I run a Bell helmet. I just wear jeans, Van shirt, and I ride up there by the car, and then if I go over here, yeah, so just doing a quick bike check. Well, my bike. Then if I come all the way down here, just switch hands. Oh God. Alright, there we go. feel like Austin Augie right now, just cruising around with my camera, my hub. But yeah, down here I have good jumps, my grip, a ton of cones. I like set them up on the jumps and jump them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, I'm actually riding right now and holding this at the same time, so it's a little weird. I just went over a hose, but for now, I'm just gonna have a quick solo sesh in my yard. But besides that, just casually drop my bike on the ground. I'll see you later. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you.